10 divided by 8 into its simplest form. That is how to simplify the fraction 10 over 8. Okay, so to simplify this fraction, you need to divide numerator and denominator by the greatest common factor or highest common factor. 1 times 8 equal to 8, so 1 and 8 are the factors of 8. 2 times 4 equal to 8, so 2 and 4 are the factors of 8. Again, 1 times 10 equal to 10, so 1 and 10 are the factors of 10. 2 times 5 equal to 10, so 2 and 5 are the factors of 10. The greatest common factor between these two numbers is 2. Look here, 2. Now divide this 10 by 2 and 8 by 2. We are getting 10 divided by 2 means 5 and 8 divided by 2 means 4. But this is an improper fraction because numerator is greater than denominator. So we need to convert this improper fraction to mixed number. So divide this 5 by 4. 4 goes into 5 one time 4, 4, subtract 1. So this quotient will be our whole number part. This will be our numerator. This will be our denominator. So 1 and 1/4 is our answer.